Tired of boring text slides in Gamma AI? Learn how to add a pie chart in 2 clicks and make your data pop instantly. You've spent time gathering the numbers and building your argument, but without a visual, all that hard work can feel flat. A pie chart turns percentages and stats into something your audience can actually see and understand in a split second. And the best part? It is ridiculously easy to do. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to click to insert a pie chart. 2 simple steps and you're done. No complicated menus, no hidden settings, just a clean, straightforward path from a blank slide to a professional-looking chart that makes your presentation way more engaging. So let's get started. Open up your Gamma AI document. You should see your slide deck in front of you, and we are going to add this chart right into an existing slide. Now, here's the thing you want to do first. Look for the button that says Charts and Graphs. It's usually right there in the toolbar at the top of the editor. If you ever get stuck finding it, just think of it as the place where all your data becomes visual. It is the gateway from numbers on a page to something your audience can connect with. Go ahead and click that Charts and Graphs button. You'll see a drop-down menu pop up with several options. Don't let the choices overwhelm you. We know exactly what we want. Now, pay attention to this one. From the chart options, you need to select the pie chart type. It is usually represented by a little circular icon with slices. Pretty easy to spot. Click on that pie chart option, and just like that, Gamma AI will insert a default pie chart right into your slide. It might take a moment to process, especially if your internet is a bit slow, but within a few seconds, you will see it appear. Now, here is where the real transformation happens. That default chart is just a starting point. Click on the chart itself, and you will see a panel open up on the side of your screen. This is your control center. You can change the labels, update the percentages, and even swap out the colors to match your brand or your presentation theme. It is incredibly flexible. And here is a practical tip most people miss. Double check that your data is accurate before you move on. There is nothing worse than presenting a beautiful chart with wrong numbers. Take those extra 10 seconds to verify. So now that you've got that set up, let me walk you through exactly what you are looking at. You have a clean, colorful pie chart that instantly communicates your key data points. Your audience won't be reading a block of text anymore. They will be looking at a visual story. That is the power of this simple 2-click process. And here's the really important part. You don't need to be a designer or a data analyst to make this work. I've shown you a step-by-step visual guide using screenshots from a real Gamma AI document, because seeing it in action is way more helpful than just reading instructions. You can trust that this method works because it is exactly how you would do it yourself on your own presentation. One last thing before you go. Once your pie chart is in place, try resizing it to fit your slide perfectly. Just grab a corner and drag it. And if you want to make it even more engaging, add a quick title or a caption right above it. Gamma AI makes it easy to layer in text, so don't be shy about giving your chart some context. Now you've gone from having no visual data representation in your presentation to confidently adding a pie chart that makes your data pop. Go ahead and close out of those menus, save your work, and get ready to impress your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.